Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside settings to enable background sounds quickly. Open settings, tap accessibility, then audio/visual. This places the feature where sound controls live. Once there, turn background sounds on and pick a sound that masks distractions, rain, stream, or white noise. Make sure to set the sound level with the slider so it sits beneath your main audio. Too loud defeats focus. If you prefer fast access, add it to Control Center now, so you can toggle or change sounds without navigating. Now refine how background sounds behave and mix with other audio. You'll choose a sound character, balanced, bright, or dark, or pick a nature option. Each mask's frequency ranges differently, which matters for focus. Make sure Play in Background is enabled so the sound continues while you use other apps, and toggle Mix with Media if you want sound under music or podcasts. Once done, consider a timer or create a shortcut so the sound starts automatically at work times or before sleep. Finish by testing in real situations. Play a podcast or take a call while background sounds run and adjust levels so speech remains clear. If sounds stop unexpectedly, make sure Play in Background is still enabled. Once checked, restart your iPhone to clear transient issues. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings rather than full device reset to preserve data. One key troubleshooting tip: check focus or do not disturb rules. Those can silence or alter background audio behavior, so verify those settings next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.